Hello, my dear viewers. Today, I want to share with you a fascinating perspective on the future of factories. Contrary to popular belief, the future of factories isn't just about automation and mass production. In this age of sustainability and eco-consciousness, industries are shifting towards innovative methods and technologies that are revolutionizing the way we think about manufacturing. One such movement is the additive manufacturing, or 3D printing revolution. This technology allows for on-demand production of complex parts and products, significantly reducing waste and energy consumption. Another trend is the use of renewable energy sources in industrial processes, from solar panels on factory rooftops to wind turbines on site. Moreover, industries are also looking into circular economy principles, which aim to design products that can be easily recycled or repurposed once their lifespan is over. This ensures that resources are used efficiently and sustainably. In conclusion, while it's true that some jobs might be lost due to automation in factories, it's also true that these industries are heading towards a more sustainable dark future. They're adapting to climate change by implementing green technologies and practices. So let's stay positive about this dark future because it might indeed be a bright spot for our planet. Automation and robotics. Factories are increasingly adopting automation and robotics to streamline production processes, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. This trend is likely to continue, with robots performing repetitive or dangerous tasks, while humans focus on more complex and creative aspects of manufacturing. Artificial intelligence (AI). AI is revolutionizing factories by enabling machines to learn, adapt, and make decisions independently. AI-powered systems can optimize production schedules, predict maintenance needs, enhance quality control, and improve overall productivity. Internet of Things (IoT). The integration of IoT devices in factories allows for real-time data collection and analysis, creating a connected ecosystem where machines, products, and systems communicate and collaborate. This connectivity improves efficiency, enables predictive maintenance, and supports data-driven decision-making. Sustainable practices, concerns about climate change and resource depletion are driving a shift towards sustainable manufacturing. Factories are adopting renewable energy sources, optimizing energy consumption, reducing waste, and implementing eco-friendly production processes. Customization and flexibility. Consumer demands for personalized products are pushing factories to adopt flexible manufacturing systems, technologies like 3D printing and modular production lines. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video interesting and informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content like this one. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.